Hello and welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest product reviews. Today, we're talking about the Sauce Beauty Guacamole Whip Hair Mask. This hair mask is hailed as the best hair protection mask by Jomari Goyso. Let's dive into why this product is creating a buzz in the market. The Sauce Beauty Guacamole Whip Hair Mask is a deep conditioning treatment infused with avocado, honey, and argan oil. It's designed to nourish and repair dry and damaged hair, leaving it soft and smooth. With ingredients like jarrah honey and manoi oil, this mask provides intense hydration and helps to strengthen hair from within. Packed with nutrient-rich ingredients like avocado, honey, and argan oil. Formulated to prevent breakage, nourish split ends, and tame frizz. Suitable for all hair types and color safe. Free from alcohol, gluten, parabens, and sulfates. Easy application for smooth and silky results. Simply apply the hair mask to damp hair. Leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes, and rinse thoroughly. Use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. The result is soft, smooth, and luminous hair with a delightful floral honey scent. The Sauce Beauty Guacamole Whip Hair Mask is a must-have for anyone looking to revive and nourish their hair. With its natural ingredients and proven results, it's no wonder why this product is receiving rave reviews from customers. Give your hair the TLC it deserves with this incredible hair mask. That's a wrap on our review of the Sauce Beauty Guacamole Whip Hair Mask. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.